Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on Mac. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, make sure where you want to create a folder. For example, if you want to create a new folder in your desktop, just right click on your desktop and choose New Folder and then give it a name. Here is your first folder. On the other hand, if you want to create a folder inside your Finder, just open Finder and choose the location where you want to create your folder. For example, I want to create a folder inside this story mode folder. So right click here and choose again New Folder and give it a name. Similarly, you can click on this file option and here you will get that option to New Folder. Just choose it from here and give it a name again. So I'm showing you exactly 3 methods how to create a folder. So that's it. Now you know how to create a new folder on your MacBook. Thanks for watching.